Hello class 5th, welcome back in online class 5th. As you know, our online classes are going on and already we have done chapter 5, the nervous system in our class. So today we will do bookwork of this chapter. Children, in this chapter you have learned about human nervous system and its parts of the brain and their functions, the sense organs, their importance and methods to take care of them. So we have learned about the brain. As you know, the brain is the most delicate organ of our body and it is protected by the skull. The brain is divided into three important parts like cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum called big brain, cerebellum called small brain, and third part is your medulla. Now we have learnt about spinal cord, nerves. Spinal cord, this is a long cord like structure which is the continuation of medulla, and this is also a very delicate structure. nerves Nerves are the conductor of information from one part of the body to the other, and they are made up of cable like bundle of fibers. We have learnt about types of fibers. There are three types of nerves like sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. We have learnt about sense organs. There are five sense organs like ear, eye, nose, tongue and skin. How can they work and how can we care of them? Okay, so start doing bookwork. Page number 57. Warm up. A child listening to music, which sense organ it will use? Ears. A child watching cartoon show, he will see by using eyes. A person tasting food by tongue. A child smelling a flower, he will use the sense organ nose. Okay. Now page number 59. In this activity, we have to circle the wrong word and write down the correct word. Now, cerebrum connects the brain to spinal cord. No, medulla connects the brain to the spinal cord. So you will circle cerebrum. Cerebellum functions even when we are sleeping. No, it is wrong. Medulla functions even when we are sleeping. Medulla helps in maintaining body balance. No, it is wrong. We will circle medulla and write down here the right word, that is your cerebellum. Okay. Now page number 60. Name the parts of brain that controls the following: thinking, cerebrum; storage of information, cerebrum; jogging in the park, cerebellum; beating of the heart, medulla; movement of the limbs, cerebellum; moving away of hand on touching the hot iron, that is controlled by the spinal cord. Okay. Now open page number 63. A child eating Karela soup. Tongue. You have to write down the sense organ which is responsible for these activities. Ringing of a bicycle bell, ear. Spraying of a paint, nose. Watering of the mouth on seeing an ice cream, tongue. Pinching someone on the arm, that is skin. Smell of a burning incense stick, nose. Reading a book, eyes are responsible. Okay. Now page number 65. Tick the correct option. Which one of the following does not belong to the brain? Retina. Retina does not belong to the brain because this belongs to our eye and all these parts are of brain. Which of the following helps in maintaining body balance? Cerebellum helps in maintaining body balance. Which of the following is an odd one? Mixed nerve, neuron, lung, brain. Lungs. These are odd one. Which of the following nerve belongs to the eye? Auditory, olfactory, optic motor, that is optic. Leprosy is a dash disease. It is a skin disease. Okay. So D, A, C, B, C. These are the correct option. Now we will do fill up. A normal human brain weighs about dash kg 1.5 kg. The bulb-like structure of the brain is known as medulla. Reflex actions are quick and dash that are controlled by the spinal cord. These are automatic actions. The space inside the nose is called cavity, that is nasal cavity. Now, true or false? The second largest part of the brain is cerebellum. Yes, it is true. Next is the spinal cord controls the automatic actions or activities. That is also true. Third is the nerves are conductors of information from one part of the body to other. Yes, it is also true. Internal organs transmit messages about our surrounding to the nervous system. No, it is false because internal organs doesn't transmit messages about our surroundings. Clear? The next is match the column. Cerebellum. It is called small brain. Cerebrum, ridges, and it is made by ridges and furrows. Spinal cord, it controls reflex actions. Eye, cornea. Tongue, taste buds. So 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. Next is your answer in one word. Outermost layer of an eye is called cornea. Images are formed on this part of the eye, that is called retina. The nerve that connects nose to brain, olfactory. The nerves that connects ear to brain, auditory nerves. Now question answer we will do in the next video. You will complete this bookwork in your book. Okay, learn the bookwork of chapter 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Have a nice day.